Hello everyone, we are going to make a third video about the separable differential equation, and I try to each video to introduce different kind of the method in term of the integration, and I try to introduce different kind of the methods and techniques because in differential equation we have only one rule, and that rule is that one side of the equation we have only one variable, and other side of the equation we have also one variable. And going to integration both side, and at this level integration is so important. You should to know how solve this integration. Some integration are easy, and also otherwise some of them is not easy, and you should do some techniques to solve this. So to solving this equation I started do some algebraic manipulation, and we have this x squared plus y squared minus 4 at the both side, and that is why I move this side, this part of the equation to other side. So x, I change the color, I think blue is better. X multiply x squared plus y squared minus 4, and dy minus y x squared plus y squared minus 4 dx equal to x dx, and this part of the equation moves to other side plus y dy. So I'm going to factor this out, so x squared plus y squared minus 4 multiply x dy minus y dx equal to x dx plus y dy. So when we have two this phrase at the same time on this equation or on the one equation, we can change the variable such this. If I repeat again, if at the same time we have two this phrase on the equation, we can change the variable such this. We can let x equal to r multiply cos sine of theta, and also y equal to r sine of the theta. So I'm going to differential both sides. Dx equal to cos sine of the theta dr, and minus r sine of the theta, and also dy equal to sine of the theta dr minus plus dr plus r cos sine of the theta. So if we replace x and y and also dx and dy to these two phrases, x dy minus y dx, and also y dx plus x x dx y dx, x y dy plus x dx. If they replace this x dx y dy on these two phrases, we have r squared d theta, and also we have r dr. You can replace this and prove this equation. This is the train for you. So we are going to change the variables. So I'm going to write again x dy minus y dx equal to r square d theta, and also x dx plus y dy equal to r dr. So I'm going to replace on the equation. So and also I'm going to mention another things is that x square plus y square with this variables is that r2 cosine of the theta square plus r2 sine of the theta square is that r2 we are going to take r square factor out, and sine square theta plus cosine of the square, and this is equal to 1, and that is why this going to such this. So we have r square minus 4 multiply r square d theta equal to r dr. So sorry, this is dr, I'm sorry, dr. So now I'm going to try one side of the equation we have only one variable, and other side of the equation we have only one variable. So I have to move this part of the equation to other side. So I'm rewrite first r square minus 4 d theta equal to r dr. So I move this part of the equation to other side. So d theta equal to r dr divided to r square minus 4. So d theta equal to dr r square minus 4. Now I'm going to take integration both sides. So this side of the equation is too easy in terms of the integration, and other side is that the partial fraction integration. And how partial fraction works, I'm change the color, 1 over r multiply r square minus 4. So I'm going to take this fraction to two different fraction, r plus r square minus 4. If we have a linear, we can write constant. If we have a quadratic, we can write linear, such this b multiply r plus c. So if we have a linear, we can write constant. If we have a quadratic, we can write linear. So I'm going to take common denominators. So 1 equal to a multiply r square minus 4 and plus r multiply this, r multiply b multiply r plus c. So on the left side is that 1, so I can rewrite on the left side a plus a multiply r square minus 4a plus b square plus cr, and I'm going to take factor r square a plus b plus cr minus 4a. So this side we have 1, and this side, the right side, we have this equation. So we are going to compare between two sides and write a plus b equal to 0, c equal to 0, and minus 4a equal to 1. So a equal to minus 1 over 4, and a equal to minus b, so b equal to 1 over 4, and also c equal to 0. I replace a, b, c on this two fraction, so 1. And also I have to explain another things. Here we have two factors, so that is why I have to write two fraction. If we have three factors, we can write three fraction. So 1 over r multiply r square minus 4 is that equal to a over r, so minus 1 over 4 r plus b1 over 4 multiply r plus c is 0, so r square minus 4. So if I gonna integration both sides, is that equal to 1 minus 1 over 4 ln r plus, I rewrite this equation such this: 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 2 integral 2 multiply r dr r square minus 4. So I can write equal to minus 1 over 4 ln r plus 1 over 8 ln r square minus 4 plus constants such as c.